is Seija Imravurkar. Today I have discussed about the Digital India. Digital India is a flagship initiative launched by the Government of India in July 2015, aimed at transferring India into a digital empower societies and the knowledge economy. The program seeks to enhance the digital infrastructure, increase the internet connectivity, and promote the digital literacy across the country. In which the first one is the digital infrastructure, uh, broadband access to provide high speed internet connectivity across the rural and urban areas. Then the public Wi-Fi, establishing free Wi-Fi zones in public place to provide. Then the smart cities missions, developing the smart cities with integrate the digital services. Digital governance, e-governance, making the government services accessible online to reduce and enhance the transparency. Then the digital payment system, promoting the cashless transaction through the platform like UPI, unified payment interface, and the digital wallets. Then the digital literacy, skill development, initiative to train citizens in digital skill and promote the digital literacy, particularly among rural population and the women. Then the digital education, integration of technology in education to enhance the learning experience. In the digital economy, startup the ecosystem, encouraging the interpres- entrepreneurship and the innovation in tech sector through funding and supports. Then Make in India, promoting the local manufacturing of electronics and technological products. Then the digital infrastructure initiatives, BharatNet, a project aimed at the providing the broadband connectivity to over the villages, national optical fiber network, connecting the gram panchayat, village counseling with high speed internet. Then the e-governance service, common service centers, providing the government service at the grassroots level. Then the Digital India platform, unified protocol for various government services, allowing the citizens to access the services online. Then the increase the penetration, significant rise in internet user, particularly in rural areas, contributing to the economic growth. Then the growth of digital payment, increase in the adoption of the digital payment method, leading to more the cashless economy. Then improve the governance, enhance the transparency and the accountability in government service through digital platforms. Then the digital divide, disparities in access to technology between the urban and rural areas, as well as among different socio-economic group. Then the cyber security risks, increase the cyber threats as the digital adoption grows. Then the infrastructure gaps, inadequate the infrastructure in certain region hampers the effectiveness of digital initiatives. Digital India represents a significant steps towards the modernized tax-free nation. While it has made substantial progress in enhancing connectivity and governance, addressing the challenges like the divide and cyber security, it's crucial for realizing its full potential. The initiative aims not only to empower individuals through technology but also to position India as a global leader in digital economy. Thank you.